Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Etsy seller income tracking for tax time. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to the Shop Manager. On the left-hand side, click on Finances. Select Payment Account from the drop-down menu. Here, you will find a summary of your earnings. Next, download your shop earnings report. Look for the download button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Choose the date range you want to track for tax purposes. It's advisable to select year to date for your annual tax preparation. Click Download in the appropriate format, usually CSV or Excel. Open the downloaded file in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Now, review your earnings for accuracy. Make sure to check for any fees deducted from each sale. Next, create a new spreadsheet to organize your income and expenses. Label the columns with categories such as date, items sold, amount, and fees. Copy relevant details from the earnings report. Next, add a section for your business expenses. Document costs related to materials, shipping, and any other business-related expenses. Ensure to keep receipts or records of these expenses for verification. Once your income and expenses are documented, calculate your total earnings. Use simple formulas to subtract your total expenses from your total income. This final amount is your net income for tax reporting. Consider using accounting software for more comprehensive tracking. These tools can automate many calculations and provide additional reports. Review your local tax regulations to understand your obligations. Consult with a tax professional if you have questions or need assistance. Finally, keep track of this documentation throughout the year for easier preparation next tax season. By following these steps, you'll simplify your Etsy seller income tracking for tax time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.